If there is a single place that embraces all the grace that is a dog's love, perhaps it is here on a heavenly hillside in St. Johnsbury.
It's a place where a dog can be a dog, you know, and get to run and have fun, and they're interacting with other dog people.
A place so beautiful that not a cloud obscures the deep serenity, which seems fitting that it was born in the heart of an artist. You might recognize these iconic prints, the charming and playful work of Stephen Huneck. In 1994, the woodcarver had a fall that left him in a coma for 2 months. When he woke, the first woodcut he carved was "Life is a Ball," celebrating his new appreciation for life.
Because his dogs were such a big part of like love and rehabilitation, he kind of was like, do what you love. When you look at these prints, you start to think of things that your dogs have done. It brings this joy to you because if you love dogs and animals, this artwork will definitely speak to you.
Stephen passed away in 2010. Today, his art is housed at Dog Mountain, a gallery of whimsical reminders of the joy that is often found in the simple pleasures of our four-legged friends.
To cheer people up. We hear a lot of stories like, I've been depressed for a year and your artwork made me laugh for the first time.
Just outside 1.6 miles of the kind of trails we all imagine our pups would design themselves, where even fire hydrants get their own view. But Huneck knew well, the spiritual bond between human and dog runs so deep that a loss can be profound. There is perhaps no greater testament to that emotion than the one in this space, a chapel Stephen built for the grieving to connect. Countless, thousands upon thousands of memorial notes left by visitors.
He didn't want people, when they lose a pet, just to be told, it's just a dog, you know. He wanted someone to come somewhere, see all the happiness and joy that dogs now are having, go in there, pay a little tribute, write a note, pay homage to that love that you had, and also read the notes that other people have written, just to know, like, I'm not alone. They come out and see dogs romping, and it lifts their mood back up again.
Dog Mountain is open year-round for dog owners and their pups, free of charge. Before their passing, Stephen Huneck lived there with his wife Gwen and his 3 dogs. Stephen wrote 10 books inspired by his black lab, Sally. And that is Chronicle for tonight. Thanks so much for joining us, everyone. I'm Anthony Everett. Have a good evening. Hope to see you back here again tomorrow night.